Hello friends, in this video we'll be discussing vector spaces, unit vector, problem number 2. Welcome back friends. Let's have a look on the given problem. We need to find the unit vector which is orthogonal to both 1 0 1 0 1 1. This is highly recommend. Pause this video, solve this problem and verify your solution. Still I am doing it for you. You can verify your result. Same problem as problem number 1. We need to find the unit vector which is orthogonal to both. First of all, we need to find the vector. Let x be the vector, that is x1, x2 and x3 be the required vector. We need to find vector which is orthogonal to both. Since x is orthogonal to u and v, it will be x dot u equal to 0 and x dot v equal to 0. This is x1, x2, x3 and u. U is 1 0 1. x1, x2, x3 and v. V is 0 1 1. Let's form the equation, that is x1 plus 0 x2 plus x3 equal to 0. 0 x1 plus x2 plus x3 equal to 0. I'm going to be a bit faster in this problem because it's exactly same. By same story, by Kramer's rule, x1 upon minus x2 upon x3 upon x1, we are going to leave the coefficient of x1, x2 coefficient, x3 coefficient in the first equation. In the second equation, both x2, x3 coefficients are 1. Minus x2 upon 1, 1, 0 and 1. In x3, it will be 1, 0, 0, 1. Let's simplify this. This is 0, minus 1. Minus x2 upon, this is 1, minus 0. x3 upon, this is 1 and 0. Therefore, the vector is x equal to x1 value is minus 1, this is also minus 1 and finally x3 is 1. You're going to consider this minus also with this 1. This is the vector. We need to find its unit vector. That is x bar is equal to vector upon its magnitude, that is its norm, which will be equal to vector here is minus 1 minus 1 1 and its norm is square root of minus 1 square, minus 1 square and 1 square, which will be equal to minus 1 1 upon root of 3. This is the required unit vector. You can stop here or you can multiply all the values with root 3. Therefore, x cap will be minus 1 upon root 3, minus 1 upon root 3 and 1 upon root 3. This is the required result for the unit vector which is orthogonal to both x1 and x2. Done with the problem. Hope you understood. Thank you.